how Web3 is a little bit different to other areas of like recruiting. I can promise you there is someone with 10 years of agency experience that bought a Azuki or their first NFT 2 years ago and has kind of kept an eye on the space as a hobby, but like hasn't really been able to go all the way in. And that person is so qualified to do their Web2 job at one of these Web3 companies. And so what I've created now, and it'll probably have launched by the time we get this podcast live, is I've created a essentially like the mega version of what my newsletter was, which is a real-time feed of all the jobs at all the big companies in Web3.
Nice.
So thank you. I'm really excited about it because I think like I call it the working title when I was creating it is like the Google of Web3 jobs. Like it's a search engine for jobs essentially.